Hi there, I'm Shar, and welcome back to the Simple Spells for the Home playlist. Today I have a very fast Halloween spell for you. So tomorrow being Halloween, I know that the veil between the two worlds is thinner. And so I know I'm going to have ancestors coming to the home to dine with us because that's the table I present. So in the process of my ancestors who have passed across coming into my home, I want to make a little barrier that prevents anything else from coming in also. So what I have here is just some salt. I have a bay leaf. I've written on this bay leaf, protect family. And I've written that on both sides. I have a little container here. I'm going to be throwing the salt out afterwards, so no big deal. This is just the container I choose. You can use a jar, you can use a bowl, you can use a cup, you can use whatever you want to stick in or to put the salt in. And then I have a candle here. You can use a real candle or a fake candle. And what I have here is a flicker candle because I like having a candle. There, we can see it. I like having a candle in the window for my ancestors. That way they see the light home. So for the next 48 hours, I'm going to leave this candle on. Right now, I'm going to turn it off though. I think I got this at the dollar store, so they're fairly cheap. And I don't use a real candle for this because it's dangerous. You can use a real candle if you don't light it, okay? So easy, easy, easy. Take your salt. And as you're pouring it into your container, it doesn't matter what kind of salt you use. If you have moon salt, use moon salt. Use whatever you're comfortable with. I am using the salt because I have a lot of it. So I put it into this container. I'm going to be like, I'm putting you in here to protect my home and family this All Hallows Eve. So there we go. That's a lovely amount of salt. Give it a little stir in there to actually, like my finger is the magic wand, right? I use the salt for protection for my family and my home this All Hallows Eve. There we go. And then, really easy, just protect my family. Right there, right in that jar, right in that salt. And then I'll put that jar of salt right in my window here with the candle right beside it. I'm going to turn my candle on. So there it is flickering. I'm actually going to move this over. Oh look, and there's my skull. Yeah. So I will leave that going until after Halloween. And if the battery burns out, that's okay. The light is still on for our ancestors to see where to come. So it's just simple salt, a bay leaf in there that says protect my family. When this is finished, I'm going to take this salt and I'm going to pour it outside across my doorway and thank the protectors for providing that protection. All right, super easy. Simple spell for the home, salt, bay leaf, and a little candle. Bright blessings for you and your family on this Halloween. I'll see you next time.